After creating one or more scheduled scans, you can manage them from a single place in PII Tools, the Scheduler tab. Open the Scheduler tab and you'll see all upcoming scans listed, including their start time, frequency, and whether they repeat indefinitely or end on a specific date. Click Edit Schedule if you need to make a change. For example, adjust the timing or add an end date. You can edit any part of the schedule, then confirm the changes by clicking Edit Schedule. The update takes effect immediately. If you want to create a new scheduled scan based on an existing one, use Clone Schedule. This creates a copy with the same settings, which you can then adjust without modifying the original. And if you don't want to wait for the scheduled time, simply click Run Scan Now. This launches the scan immediately while keeping the schedule unchanged for the next cycle. For more help, check the online documentation or contact your PII Tools support team. To learn more about PII Tools, follow our YouTube channel and our LinkedIn profile for more tutorials and resources.